But what most astonishes the scientists are our cells. They are the smallest parts that gives life to living beings, plants or animals. The human body is made up of about 100 trillion cells, which give rise to tissues and organs.
We cannot be accidentally caused. Life is not an accident.
Douglas Oss has been studying molecular biology for 25 years. He guarantees there is no possibility that life has been created by accident or chance of the evolution of the planet. Every cell is controlled by DNA. DNA is a set of genetic information that defines the characteristics of living things. Researchers have discovered a sequence of numbers that is always repeated in human DNA. It would be a signature of God.
So DNA is formed by two parts or two strands, right, that go in a helix, right, or is known as a helix. It has connections all throughout the strands, right, that bridges the two parts of the strands together, right, the little connections that are like bridges. So scientists have found that there's a pattern that repeats throughout all of the strands, right, and the pattern in all human DNA is this: it's 10, 5, 6, 5, right? Again, the sequence of the pattern is 10, 5, 6, 5. So in Hebrew, just like in English, each letter is equal to a number, right? For example, the Aleph is 1, the Bet is 2, Gemil 3, Dalet 4, right? The same way in English, A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, and D equals 4, right? So in Hebrew, if you look at the name of the Most High God, which is right here on my shirt, right? If you look at it, it's 4 letters, right? Y, H, W, H, okay? Which is Yad or Yah, right? Hey or Ha, Vav or Wa, and Hey or Ha, right? So translated to English from Hebrew, it would be YAHAWAH or YHWH, right? So if we count the name of the Most High, the Y is the 10th letter, right? Then we have the H, which is the 5th letter, the W, which is the 6th letter, and again, the H is the 5th letter again, right? So the name of the Most High Yahweh is actually what connects our two DNA strands or cells in human beings, right? So scientifically proving not only that there is a creator of all things, but also that his name is Yahweh, right? And like artists leave their signatures on paintings, for example, he left his signature in us, right? It's like the potter left his signature on the clay, right? So all praise to the Most High Yahweh, Ba'Hasham HaMashiach Yahweh Shai, Shalom.
Now I learned to check mine through the word. I learned that I was evil because my spirit was disturbed. Wicked like cancer, through them spirits were transferred. Hang with piece of shit and you start smelling like a turd. That's something that most of you people do not get. The ones you think you love will lead you right into that